Hi, welcome to another video from Daniel and John, and I'm going to talk about the Sage
smart oven
basically. And what we decided to do is do a few videos on how it cooks things. So these are McCain's frozen oven chips, and on here we've used the air fry, and I used about 24 minutes. And they are as good as chopped chips, chopped chips. And we've got an air fryer, an old type one, and it's just as good. If you're air frying, don't try and put anything else in the oven apart from what you're air frying, because it will not cook. And now what we're doing to go with it is a lovely pizza. And as you can see,
this is a fresh pizza from Sainsbury's, so
yeah, and they do make good pizzas. That's like perfect.
That's nearly done actually.
We're down to 13 seconds, and I think
the pizza setting.
Yeah, pizza setting. I think I had that on 12 minutes. It preheats it to 210, so it's, there we go. Yeah, there you go.
So that's cooked now.
So
as you can see, it's
yeah,
done
lovely.
a pretty good job.
Slide that out.
It did have the convection on as well.
Yeah, super convection. So it's a real nice pizza. Really nice. And you see the steam coming off there. Good thing about this oven, it keeps everything moist. So this is our video on pizza and chips. So at least you can see how it cooks and how it performs. And we've done this before, and they taste really nice. So I hope this helps you sort of decide if you want to buy one of these ovens. Really,
we'll do a few more videos with cakes and other bits. We use this all the time for everything.
If I'm honest, we use it sometimes. There's another person who makes the cakes, but we can show you cakes and things we're making in this, and just see if you're interested, and it might help you along a little bit.
Yeah, it might help you along if you're thinking about buying it. We did an unboxing video of it, and a lot of people are interested in that. So we'll actually do videos based on what it's like when it cooks things.
Yeah, I think it's worthwhile, then people know. And don't forget, it is 2022.
November 5th.
November the 5th, if you can hear any fireworks popping off. And we've got an energy crisis, and it's trying to find a cheap way to cook food well for you. Okay, thanks for watching.